Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to email text message on iPhone. So if you want to email text message, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your messaging app on your phone, then tap on the available message you want to the email text you want to send to your email. So probably in this video I'm just going to long click and mark some message. So tap on more, then just select two couple of message. Then after that, then you have to tap on the forward icon, which is the forward button. After that, then you input the email you want to send the text to. So just gonna input this email. Alright, here's the email right here. Then I'm just gonna tap on this button, tap on it, and this will send the message. Then just have to go back to my message, my email to confirm the message. So if you didn't get the message in time, just have to give it some few times for the message to show up in your mail, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.